All right, guys, I'm out here, Mayport, Florida. I'm gonna be surf fishing today with buddy Dylan, his wife Melanie, and Maggie. She's down there looking for shark's teeth. I said surf fishing, right? Not shark fishing. I guess we're probably gonna catch sharks. Every time I do this, I end up catching little bonnet heads or hammerheads or whatever, black tips. But specifically, we're targeting whiting and maybe pompano. We'll see what happens. I don't think the pompano are here yet, but I know that people have been catching whiting. So we got sand fleas, we got shrimp. I don't think we have any squid, but those two should suffice. And then I think I might rig up a rod with like a fish finder rig and a live mullet, or probably a big dead mullet, because I don't think we have any live mullet. And then I'm going to maybe catch a redfish off that or something. That'd be cool too. I also have a crankbait that I was gonna throw off the jetty, so if I get bored, I might walk over there and do that. But I'm just gonna set stuff up and film, and hopefully it looks good, because I don't usually do this. I also don't usually surf fish, so we'll see what happens. But I think we'll catch stuff, so hopefully we got some stuff to watch after this. All right, I will see you guys in a minute. I still gotta rig up all my stuff. Someone's probably gonna say something, but I'm just going off the head right now, all right? I don't know how to rig up these things. I'm not looking up a video. I'm just trying to get lines in the water. It'll work, all right? It'll work. I didn't know I bought these kind. I should have bought I think I just grabbed the cheapest ones instead of looking what they actually were, but now I sort of got to pre-make these. If I catch something big on it, I guarantee I'll probably break off. All right, this is my makeshift pompano rig. 3-ounce pyramid sinker underneath two little floated, like size 2 circle hooks coming off about a foot of leader line. Will it work? I think I'll catch something. A pompano? I don't know about that specifically. And we'll see how far I can sling this thing. I'll show you guys the rods too. My dad gave me this reel, and it's on a 9-foot, I believe. Yeah, 9-foot Triumph surf casting rod. Holy cow, dude, you can sling this thing.
Sure. Yeah.
Can you go check that camera and make sure the light is still blinking red on it for me? All right. So we just caught that shark. We're gonna throw another sand flea on here. Hey, watch how far I can cast this thing. Woohoo! Shoveled? She's trying to eat the dirt, that's why.
She used to. She finally realized it doesn't taste.
Maggie said she was trying to before. Well, I thought that we got some pretty big taps right there. 2 rods, pretty much the same time. Maybe a school something came through, but I haven't checked the other one. But I don't think either of them hooked up, to be honest with you. I saw this one get hit. I just didn't. I was like, eh. All right. Yep.
Why are you holding it so?
Because I'm trying not to get bit.
I wanna touch it. Oh, what's that? Why is he green?
I don't know.
Show baby. Show it to her.
Does the baby want to see it?
Oh.
All right, so this is what I suspected we would catch, right? Little bonnet heads. That's a bonnet head. That's what I call them, at least. Pretty sure that's what they're called. Shovel head, maybe? Whatever. Hit it, get it, get it. Oh, shoot, this one's going off too. This one's a little bit bigger. It's another shark though. This one's actually fighting. We're doubled up, we're doubled up. Oh, this is a little bit bigger. This one was too. Look, this one's bigger, bro.
Are you smiling?
Yeah. Hey, we figured it out now, dude. They like the shrimp. This is on the full shrimp, dude. Here, you take this one. Maggie, get over here. Maggie, come here. This is a good one. Here.
Freak.
Reel in. Keep the pressure on. Is it fighting back? What do you mean no?
It's not.
Reel. Keep the pressure on. Dude, there must have been a school of them go by. Look at this.
What?
Keep reeling. Do you feel it? Pull back. Use the rod. Yep. Now reel in when you're going down. Bro, they're coming through in schools. That's crazy. We had them right next to each other. Dang, Maggie.
Yeah.
You're going to have to hold this one to take a picture.
No.
What do you mean no? You're going to have to. You catch it, you take a picture with it. What is that, 5 now? What do you mean? Grab him right there behind my head, behind my hand. Grab him right there. Hard.
Holy crap.
Grab him.
Hold on, don't let him go.
I'm not letting him go, but you have to grab him hard. He's not even gonna do anything. Okay, you got him?
Oh.
Pull him straight.
Oh my god.
All right, go throw him in the water. Come on. Maggie. Come on. I'm not trying to get freaking bit and you're not handy with those things. You better throw him out there so he can swim. You're gonna get your little white shoes wet. You know the deal. You reel it in, you get a picture of it. Here.
He's cute.
You want a picture with him?
No, it's fine.
He's cute.
So cute. Aww. Let me see his little teepees. So how big do these things get?
Honestly, I think that those bigger ones are about
Oh, really?
As big as they get. Well, dude, we're catching little sharks. Dude, we haven't caught, hey, last rod, last rod. It's going, it was going. No? Dude, we haven't caught anything on that one. I would reel it in, make sure there's bait on it still. Did you just reel that one in? Yo, yo. Oh, that one's on for sure. Dylan. Dylan. This is a bigger one. You see him down there splashing? Bro, the way I had to hook set it and felt it felt bigger. Oh, dude, it's a bull or a black tip. There we go.
Nice. Oh, he's got little remoras on him.
That's a bull shark, ain't it?
He's got little remoras on him. Yeah.
That's so cool.
I don't know.
Man, this one's gonna be feisty.
Wait, that's so cool. A little bull shark.
All right, now when you start getting them this size, he's got bigger teeth.
Smile.
He's trying to mess me up right now.
Come back, come back.
In the water. He'll go out, he's fine. There's a line right there, just be careful.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
And for you guys out there, you ask if there's sharks in the water, this goes to show you. There are sharks in the water, but these little ones aren't gonna mess with you. So, you know, I can't tell you how much I've been in the beach water and I've never had a shark mess with me. I've had them close. That's also surfing. That's sort of wild. Hey, did you see that? I mean, like, it doesn't matter, but like, she literally walked under the line while I'm reeling something in.
I know.
It's like, what? Yeah?
You want it?
No, you find it.
Melanie, you want this?
That one looks bigger. Putting up a real big fight on that reel and rod, huh? Look, this guy's got the idea down there, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, that one's going off too. I might have to go get it. Oh, doubled up. Woohoo! Nope. But it was getting hit. Is it on? Maggie's watching the baby.
Oh my God, he's riding a freaking wave.
Also, honestly, that rod feels like the best fight because of the fish finder rig. So if you want a better fight, do the fish finder rig. You better get a hook set, Melanie. Hook set, run back. You Australian?
Okay. Oh my God, don't hurt him.
Don't hurt him?
Oh!
Here,
Oh my God.
grab him right there behind the head.
I'm scared. Where? Here?
Right there, yep.
What if he slips?
He's not gonna slip, look, he's not even moving. You better grab him hard.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I got him. Oh my God, I'm scared. I feel like he's gonna. Oh, I can feel
Go
him.
show Dylan.
Dylan!
She can't move, she's frozen in fear. You pretty much just chunk him out there.
PTSD from fish all over me.
Well, I don't think that one's gonna poop, but he is pretty bloody. You better
Hurry!
You better chunk him far. All right, this is what happens. I'll get it, sir. I'll get it. This is what happens whenever you don't. No, I'm just gonna throw it farther out. Is it dead?
It's moving, but it's not.
Oh, it's probably one of the ones we just caught, to be honest with you.
My dog must be very interested in cave water. Made for some great photos.
Yep.
Thanks.
Well, hopefully it lives.
You guys are you catching bigger ones?
I caught a bull shark probably this big today.
From the shore?
Yeah, couple bonnet heads that were bigger. That was a bonnet head too.
Oh, okay.
But that's all we caught. Just
Bonnet head,
Yeah.
not a hammerhead.
no bonnet head. Yeah.
Thanks.
Hammerhead are more squared off, 90 degrees. Bonnet head have a round, it looks like a shovel.
Okay. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you.